No, I got it, baby. I got it. Here's to you guys. Yes, I know, I'm drinking my drink, and you know what? And luckily it's not you, but there's a woman in this crowd right now going, oh, that drunk dumbass is my problem tonight. There are no pics of the Kraken. It is...
No pics of McCracken.
Yeah, I call it the Kraken. It's not. I'm lucky if it's a snap and a pop, all right? All right, I got my clock ready. Here's the deal. They come up here, they pull a topic out of hat. Shut the fuck up with all the talking. All right, they pull a topic out of the jar here. They have to do a 2-minute rant on that topic right there, and then we're gonna vote again. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, I have a glacier.
Yeah.
All right, and...
God damn it. Alarm clocks.
Oh no!
I'm so alarmed. I'm very alarmed by this. Here's the thing about waking up. It's depressing. And alarm clocks just remind me of my mom, which is also really depressing. My mom is, she's kind of a psycho. Yeah, she is. But here's the thing. I didn't really grow up with alarm clocks because I didn't really grow up with a lot of things. I grew up as a very Orthodox Jewish person in the middle of nowhere, like Indiana. Like I'm a fucking Jewish Kimmy Schmidt, basically. And there's a lot of, well, I don't know, man. And here's the thing about, well, I didn't have alarm clocks because I had a weird life growing up. We didn't have Halloween. Jews are already terrified 99% of the time. That's like some white people shit. Like, we don't get excited to be scared. That's just how it is, you know? I don't know. There was a lot of kids in my family growing up. We didn't really need alarm clocks because everyone was so fucking loud. And the kids in my family's names are Yehoshua Yosef, Ari David, Devorah Rachel, and then of course my parents' names are Linda and Joe. It was weird. It was a weird way to grow up. But yeah, it was a very loud, and that's why I'm loud. See, that's what's not fair. Because I basically am an alarm clock. Like, it's one thing to be a youngest of a family of 7 kids, so you're really loud, but I'm also a Jew, so it's just a double whammy. Anyways, so, let's see. Alarm clocks startle me a lot, just like my dog, who is terrified. You know what I think is crazy? People who think dogs are racist. I'm like, your dog, you can't say your dog is racist. I mean, technically, your dog can't be racist, but your dog can react to you being terrified of people for just being black. What does that make you?